Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to show you a sample response for TOEFL speaking. Question number 1. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share it with everyone you know. The girl believes the college's plan to renovate the dormitories is a mistake. She gives two main reasons for her opinion. First, she points out that the construction, which will last for 2 years, will create significant noise and disruption, making it difficult for students who are trying to sleep or study. This inconvenience will likely push even more students to move off campus, worsening the current trend. Second, she mentions that the cost of campus housing will increase to fund the renovations. As a result, students might find off-campus housing more affordable, making them less likely to return to the dorms even after the improvements are completed. Thank you so much for watching our video. Do you have a specific question for TOEFL speaking that you would like to see in one of our videos? Leave a comment below or send us a message on Telegram. Have a great day, and I will see you in our next video.